fucker, man. Jesus fuck. Did he hit me? I think he hit me. I could have hit him. I could have hit him right there. I love you too much, truck, to do that to you.
How has that helped you as you evolve as a player?
It's helped me a lot. In the moment, I don't think you realize how significant that is, and then now I look back at it and turn it into a huge learning experience. I was personally very disappointed with the way I played, but it's something that I needed at a young age, thrown into the fire, and now I know what it takes to play in this league. And
like a little shovel pass. By the way, if the offensive line had blocked a little better, that shovel pass scores. Michael Fergie missed a block, missed a key block, right? This guy got off, that's the guy who ran out. He probably scores. If Braden Locke throws a better pass, Skylar Bell scores. But at the same token, those plays require more execution. When people say,
Candy never expires with me.
Candy can go bad.
What?
Yeah,
You said it can.
we can.
That dog was... That dog doesn't have a leash. I'm good with dogs.
With me today, I'm Meg.
Jackie, turning now to the White House, President Biden spending the weekend in Wilmington, Delaware. His administration
Dude.
drawing, quote, red lines for his...
I have something to do about it.
Only losers retired. Only losers.
Maybe I'll just have to run against you.
Sure. Yeah, in your dreams.
Well,
You have no chance.
oh, is that
Real
so?
men- Yes, that's true, because real men work until their brains turn into porridge. It's true.
Well, I retired because I wanted to spend more time laughing at your fat ass going to prison.
I'm not going anywhere near prison.
What's this person doing?
A lot of people talk about my mother and grandmother, they both passed away. And I love it when they're strong people and say, Mark, you're just like your mom. Or you're just like your grandma. Your faith is so much like your grandma. Your knowledge is also rooted from your mother. The analytical form. I love that you say that to me. And I think this is what Paul's saying to me. I'm sure it's because Mark was just so happy that recognition and that tie into his mother and grandmother.
Whoa, stop.
Pick a lane, dude. Look at this dumbass. Look at him. The fuck?
The Smash community is such an incredibly dedicated, surprisingly small group of people. I've been like
Aquí tenemos lo que decían Litos. A ver qué hace la gente. ¡Morros! ¡Meteros en el gas al ferro! ¡Gas al ferro! ¡Qué tontos, tío! ¡Hostia, importan millones, tío! ¡Madre mía! ¡Hostia puta!
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Where are you going?
You're in the middle of the road!
No, it's a U-turn.
Then wait! Then fucking wait!
Hit my truck again. And
Dumb fucking dumbass, dude! What the fuck?
You want the ride?
Right here, bitch! I got this shit, dude!
Camera. Take your camera. You hit my fucking truck.
Because you almost fucking killed me!
Watch where you're going.
I'm going straight!
And I was making a U-turn, bitch.
Then stop!